Action.
I think we're doing like a weekly shop update. Burnout Garage shop update.
We should.
But anyway, here we are. Working on my daily driver. Ripper. Got the Abarth.
Got the Abarth in the house. She's a little chilly.
Oh yeah.
But it's time for it to get a little bit of love. It's been kind of getting used and abused. Rode hard, put away wet type of thing. I think it's the first time this thing's ever had an oil change since Raymond bought it.
That's wrong. That's not true.
It's not true? Was this the second time?
Oh, I change it every once in a while.
Every once in a blue moon.
Yeah, so I'm going to give her a little bit of the engine flush. I wonder how much you're supposed to put in here.
We don't know how much we're supposed to put in, but we know how much we're putting in.
Add the contents to the oil before the oil change. Let the oil run for 10 minutes. Drain oil.
Sounds pretty
This
self-explanatory.
is capable of doing a 5-quart.
How many quarts go in here?
This is a 4-quart.
So right maybe here? Not all of it?
Look right in there.
Oh, man.
I gave her the Royals with special.
Write it right on there.
Write it right on there, yeah. I tell you what, as you get older, you start to care a lot less. I know when I was a younger man, I'd be like, oh man, I'm not going to write anything on there because that's gaudy and, you know. Are you popping the hood on your Fiat every day? You showing it off to the peeps?
Maybe you should be. I mean, if you're not, dude, are you living right? That's the question you got to ask yourself.
I'll tell you this right now. I love this car. If you guys saw us at the track this year, this was our, little get around, our little runner vehicle. It went right in the trailer underneath the Vipers. And, I love it. But it is...
It's time to start it up.
It's probably one of my favorite cars. Like, everybody sees this thing and they're kind of surprised that I own it. And I tell them that I love it.
We got the anti-gas yourself 2000 hooked up right here. Oh yeah. Isn't that's just awesome right there. It looks great. Say, grow up, Peter Pan. You don't need inner fenders. You don't need like bumper supports or any of that nonsense. So these wires get a little chewed up.
And it's honestly like my favorite car. Probably one of my favorite cars I've ever owned.
Heard it here first, folks.
I'm telling you, you don't need a Viper. You need a freaking Fiat, dude. I'll barton it around. I'm telling you.
Ray can't turn it off.
We went and got gas in Oakford Heights. Those guys in that Subaru, they're like,
oh yeah.
God, man, what is that thing? God dang Fiat. Got a strip bag off. Oils are draining. Gotta love the awesome engineering right there. Where the oil just dumps right onto that bar, but that's cool. One love. Well, there we are. Quick little spray of the engine degreaser. Quick rinse with the hose. Now we can lower back down and fill it up with some liquid moly oil. It's me again. I'm back. My Vanna White left. Ryan went upstairs. It's about bedtime for him. Got the filter. So there it is. New filter. Made in China. Sweet. It's whatever Advanced Auto had. In stock. Let it go back down there in the hole. Got a new air filter for it too. Get this finished up. It's about 9:52 p.m. And then time for bed. There we go. We got the new oil filters down in there. Just putting on this cover with the new air filter. Using a nut driver to do it, 8mm. If you need to use a ratchet, it's probably a good thing. If you ain't got the grip strength, it's probably a good thing. Me, I'm all about that Viper life, so I got plenty of grip strength. If you hang out in the shop till 10 or 11 o'clock at night every night, and you're porting heads on a Saturday night, and you're, sitting in your car on a Sunday night, we'll leave it at that. Give her the old, that's what we call the Royals or special. If you know, you know. Basically, you got a little oil left on your rag here, and just, make sure she looks real nice. See, look at that. Woo! Wouldn't your dad be proud? Got this little Christmas tree guy, and he wasn't in the hole before, but look at that. Oh my God. We're basically professional technicians at this point. Son of a gun. Bring your car by Ellsworth Racing, and we'll be sure to tune her on up for you. I'll even mark it there so you know how many quarts to put in it. But speaking of that, I'm going to go pump out a little liquid moly. We'll get this thing topped off. So we've talked to these guys at Liquid Moly at long length. You know, because I live in Wisconsin, and what else am I going to do? You know, ride my snowmobile that I don't own. So I've talked to the guys at Liquid Moly at long length here. We're just running the good old 540 straight up. No additive on this bad mambo jambo. On the old Vippers, we run a little additive. Because why not, right? Extra protection on the racetrack. Even though I drive this thing like I'm at the racetrack. Zoom in, get that nice green stuff. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. You know, I talked to these guys about their oil, you know. Sometimes I think the truth of it is just a little lonely, you know. Need somebody to talk to. Call these guys up, talk to them about their oil. Hey guys, what do you think about that? That stuff in my Fiat. Oh yeah, it's good stuff. Look at this cool dipstick. Wow, 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 wow. Not bad for a little Fiat, huh?